Inspections are complete. Loan process underway. What's next? Congratulations! You're moving forward with your due diligence. In your contract, you have a specific period to complete all inspections, review the seller's disclosures, and finalize your loan. This is the time to make sure you are fully comfortable with your investment and to address any concerns before closing. What to do if inspections reveal issues. If inspections uncover issues, here's how to navigate your next steps. For minor problems like drippy faucet, loose cabinet handle, it's usually best to keep things in perspective. Asking for too many small repairs could frustrate the seller and in some cases delay the closing. However, if the inspection reveals significant issues like a leaky roof, an old malfunctioning furnace, or even a sewer line problem, which can be a concern in older Denver neighborhoods, you have options. You might ask the seller to make repairs, request that the seller address the issues before closing, reduce the price, ask for a price reduction to cover the cost of repairs, provide a credit at closing, negotiate a credit to help with the expense. Your choices may depend on the type of loan you're getting and the state of the market. Understanding market conditions, seller versus buyer's market. If a seller's market, which we often see in areas like Wash Park, Highland, or Boulder, homes are in high demand, and sellers may be less willing to negotiate repairs or credits, in such cases, it may be up to you to decide whether you're willing to take on the repair costs to secure the home. In a competitive market, sellers often know that another buyer may be ready to take the property as is. In a buyer's market, where more homes are on the market than there are buyers, you have greater leverage. Now, this can be advantageous when negotiating for repairs or credits, as sellers may be more motivated to close the deal. If you're looking in areas with a slightly lower market, like some suburban parts of Thornton or Broomfield, you may have a better chance of getting seller assistance for repairs. Pre-listing inspections a rare advantage. Sometimes, experienced listing agents in Colorado advise sellers to conduct major inspections before listing. While uncommon, this can be a huge benefit for buyers as it removes many uncertainties. Knowing that the big ticket items like the roof, the furnace, the plumbing have all been inspected and cleared can give you confidence in streamlining the buying process. Keep in mind that certain repairs may be required by your lender to fund the loan. FHA and VA loans, for instance, often have stricter property condition requirements, meaning repairs may need to be addressed before the bank will approve the funding. Now, your agent and lender should be able to inform you of these requirements early on, helping you avoid surprises and keeping your deposit safe. Once inspections are complete and any further negotiations are wrapped up, you're almost at the finish line. With the major hurdles behind you, it's just a matter of finalizing the loan and preparing for the closing day. With each step, your realtor and lending team are here to ensure a smooth path to your new home. Congratulations on being so close to getting the keys to your Denver metro area dream home.